Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha. And today I'm super excited. I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing a makeup hack that is called sandwiching. And the technique is where you sandwich setting spray, hydrating setting spray on your face at different levels of your makeup application. It's supposed to keep your face hydrated and it's supposed to keep your makeup on longer. So I'm excited to try this out with you. But before we get into it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would so love to hear from you. So let's get into this. Now for the setting spray, I'm using Neutrogena Hydrating Setting Spray. So I've heard good things about this. And the technique is where at each level you spray just a thin coat of the hydrating setting spray at each stage. And you also spray your brushes and your sponges if you use them. So it's just a way to lock that foundation, that makeup application in so it lasts all day but also gives you some good hydration. So I've already applied lotion. So this is the first spray and I'm going to try to get it. Oops, I didn't prime it. There we go. Okay, there we go. That was a very thin layer. Now we're going to let it, and that's the hard part. You've got to let it dry at each stage so it takes a little bit longer. Okay, the next stage in my sandwiching is I'm doing a primer. So I'm just doing a very thin coat of primer here on. I don't like a lot of primer because sometimes, I know this is hydrating, but sometimes it can be very drying to the skin and make your foundation look funny. Very good. Okay, let that dry. All right, a thin coat of this, so we're at number 2. There we go, thin coat. Gonna let it dry. So now we're at the third stage, which is foundation, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Flawless, Flawless, Weightless Perfecting Foundation. So I wanted to use this one. This is more of a long wear foundation, but I wanted to give it a try. I got it new, so I'm excited to give it a try. So I've got my brush. I'm going to spray just a little bit on there. Okay, and now I'm going to work that makeup into the brush here a little bit, and now start applying. Okay, foundation is on. It's looking good. That's good. Okay, now we're going to do with our first up, I forgot, I want to do my concealer now. At the same time. concealer has been applied, and now I'm going to do another light pump of the spray. There we go. Gotta let that dry. Okay, now it's time for contour and blush. I'm using my favorite Rare Beauty contour stick. Put some of that on, and now I'm going to work it in. And now I'm going to use my Rose blush drops here. I've been really loving this peach color for the fall. Putting a little bit on the back of my hand. It's liquid blush, so I don't want to put it directly on the skin because it is very, very pigmented. So I'm going to work it into the brush here and then apply it like that. Oops, I didn't spray the brushes. Doggone it, I missed that step. Alright, that's our fourth step, and I'm going to shoot it with some more hydrating setting spray. Alright, let that layer dry. Now we're at the last layer of our sandwich, which is powder. I don't powder my whole face. I do it just in the T-zones and right underneath my eyes. So let's go in and do it right under the eyes here. Okay, the powder is all done, so we'll do one last shot of the setting spray. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and do my mascara and my lips, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, here is the finished look. I think it turned out really, really great. I noticed a little bit of pilling that's going on in the outskirts of my corners of my eyes here and of my cheekbones, so I might have done a little bit too much lotion or foundation or something like that in that area, but otherwise I'm really happy with how it looks, so far, and I'm excited to see how that's going to be. How it looks in the next few hours. I will list in the comments section how it lasted, and I'll list all the products that I used. So want you to know that I care about you, I love you, I think of you, and I pray for you. I hope you are living your best life because I sure am. So I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.